So far you have seen what is Python, what are the key features of Python. Now in this video I will discuss how Python is different from the other programming languages. Let's take a first feature, syntax. In case of Python, the syntaxes are more readable and it is more on indentation based, means that you can just press tab and you can write the code. But in case of other programming languages, you need to use the braces. Second feature is dynamically typed. In case of Python, means that for example I wanted to declare and initialize the string variable. I can simply write variable equal to value. But in case of other programming languages, you need to declare the data type first, then you can declare the variable and followed by that you can assign the variable value. Let's move on to the next feature, memory management. In case of Python, it has a automatic garbage collection, but in case of C++, manually we have to write a code for garbage collection. Even Java has a automatic garbage collection. Next feature is compilation. Python uses interpreter, as you already know about what is interpreter, and other programming languages uses the compiler mostly. Then we have programming paradigm. Python uses object-oriented programming, functional programming, and procedural programming. But in case of other programming languages, are mostly supporting for the object-oriented programming. Next, we have a standard library. So Python by default comes up with the many more libraries, but in case of other programming languages, those are having very minimal inbuilt libraries. Coming to the performance, Python performance is slow because it is using interpreter, but in case of other programming languages, it is a bit faster because they are using a compiler. Last one is Python is good for data science, web development, scripting, artificial intelligence, machine learning, etc. etc. But if you are looking for system level or a performance or you have a critical apps, you can go for the like Java or C++ for machine level coding.